Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My new viewers, my old viewers, my name is Maria Makagbo. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, please follow and don't forget to subscribe. On this video today, I'm going to show you two types of hair. This hair I'm showing you now does not have treatment for a very long time. Then the other one had treatment. So I'll be showing you the two different type of hair and treatment. So we have the protein treatment, which is the fresh one, and we also have the already made protein treatment. So as you can see, these are the two type of treatment your hair need. But for this kind of hair I'm showing you now on the screen, it need the intent one, which is this one, the protein treatment. Yes, aloe vera, avocado, banana, all that. You blend smoothly, then you put it on the hair. That's what the hair needs. As you can see, this hair does not have the elasticity in it because the hair cuticles does not have any kind of treatment, so that it leaves the hair healthy and strong. It looks strong, don't get me wrong, but it needs that treatment so that I give it that elasticity look to it. That's what this hair lack of. She always come to me to wash, but she does her treatment at home. You see, sometimes you need professional to do that treatment because this treatment, you only need it once a year or twice a year. Like for this kind of hair, she can have it twice a year. Yes, because it's really long and thick. So if she does that with good moisturizer cream, with the cleanser water to shampoo, trust me, you don't need anything else. Your hair will just stay soft and easy to manage. You've got your hot comb to be combing your hair. It's easy. I know it's hard work to manage natural hair, but if you have the right products, it makes it easy. As you can see after washing this hair, there is no shine to it because the hair cuticles, it's crying for treatment. Look at it. This is after I finish wash it because I can't even blow dry it. I just went in with the cream straight away, but that was off camera. Yes. So this is the next lady I told you. This hair has treatment. You see the difference. You see the look and the feel and the texture and the elasticity the hair has because she does this treatment. This is the treatment I'm referring to. Protein treatment, fresh. This is intent. You just get your blender and just do the size. Like for this kind of hair, everything avocado, use full one. And then the extra virgin oil, 3 spoon of honey, and the mayo, glycerin, 3 spoon, aloe vera, a big small size. Yes, then you blend smooth, very smooth, guys. If it's not smooth, try to strain it so that you don't have all those bits later on. You see, especially when you do it for yourself, it's hard. So let it be very smooth like this and apply it to the end of the hair, the scalp, everywhere. Then you massage very well for blood flow. That will help stimulate your hair follicle and massage it to your hair cuticles, just like that. Because this, when you massage your hair like this, it helps with stress. It releases those chronic stress, just relax. If you try to do this every 6 months or every year, is good. Sometimes you can even go with the mild one as well every 8 weeks. Even when you have healthy hair like this, yeah, the already made one, you can do it every 8 weeks or 10 weeks. It's all good, guys. I'm telling you, look at that hair, the way it had shine after washing it, the elasticity of the hair, you can see it. It doesn't look fluffy like that first one I showed you. That first one looked very fluffy. This one is just look perfect and healthy, easy to manage. She was thinking of relaxing her hair, but since she comes to me, I manage her hair. It's really soft. She's not thinking of relaxing it now. You just find hairdresser that will be taking care of your hair. It should be easy. Because ladies, I'm telling you, when you have the hair, you feel like, oh, it's hard work, I don't want this hair. But when you don't have it, that's when you want it because you want to be doing some hairstyle, but you can't. It's too late. So now you have the hair, just maintain the scalp so that you don't lose everything. So ladies, as you can see, I've washed it, I've moisturized it with my whipped butter and oil. You can see now how it looks really healthy. Look at it. Look, it looks like relaxed hair, but it's not relaxed because she find a hairdresser who will take care of her hair. That's all you need. You see, because we work hard, treat yourself. Yeah, guys, I have other videos coming up with different type of scalp, how long the treatment will take. Let me know if you want me to upload any kind of scalp or hair type you don't know how to treat. I will help you with that. Okay, look at this lady hair now. See how it looks. She wear a lot of wigs, to be honest, but unless I tell you, because she maintain it, I do condole. Now she's going to wear a wig. It will not damage your hair. Just maintain the scalp.